This is the Omoton Bluetooth Keyboard. It's a really nice compact size, ultra slim. It does have this little bit at the back, which is where you have three elements here. You've got the battery pack here, which you click open, and it's got two AAA batteries in there. Just slide that back in, really nice clunk. Then you've got the connect button, which is how you connect it to Bluetooth, and then you've got the off and on switch, and on here you've got these little rubber pads, which mean that when you turn it over, it stays nice and steady on the desk. Now the keys themselves aren't actually too noisy. The noise comes from when you're tapping on the board itself. So, but to be honest, I quite like a little bit of a noisy key. It's like a haptic thing, isn't it? I like the feeling of the keys and knowing that I've pressed them. Press the keys. I mean, it just feels really nice. I really like the feel of this. I wasn't sure what to expect. Having sort of been brought up on Apple keyboards, it's quite close to that. Maybe not quite as snazzy as Apple, but I'm very happy with this. Now, on the top here, it's got a little light as well, which tells you whether it's on. So if I flip it on, you'll see there's the green light coming on now. Now, the other thing is if I want to connect this, then I've just turned it on. I've got my iPad here and it says, make sure Bluetooth, pairing unsuccessful. So I just need to connect it. And there you go. I've just pressed that connect button there and it's saying Bluetooth keyboard. So I'm going to tap on that and it says, Bluetooth pairing request, enter the code onto the keyboard. Here we go, 8273, return. And there we have it, Bluetooth keyboard connected. And then I can start typing away until my heart's content and using it with my iPad. I've got my iPad, by the way, on this great U-green stand, which is foldable as well. So I use the two together. When I go to work in cafes, I will have my iPad like that, my Omoton keyboard, and I will just happily type away. If I want to, use the Apple Pencil to draw as well. Really pleased with this keyboard and fits very nicely in my bag too.